Hi, I'm Karthik Dakshinamurthy. I'm the president slash co-owner of Devlin Design Group. Devlin Design Group is an award-winning international design firm that specializes in the creation of memorable storytelling environments for broadcast news, sports shows, talk shows, experiential design, podcast videos, and we do set design and lighting design. 95% of our projects are turnkey projects where we do the set design, lighting design, grid design, so that it's a complete turnkey project for our clients. Our motto is creativity, innovation, and knowledge. When it comes to creativity, we have won almost 30 Emmy Awards in the last 10 years and a lot of international awards as well. When it comes to knowledge, we have been in business for 37 years and we have a bench strength, with all the knowledge necessary to do an award-winning broadcast studio. Our website is www.ddgtv.com, devlindesigngrouptv.com.